want to like clean my room because actually a lecture free because my exams will be starting next week. Right, I want to clean my room. Like when I moved into this place, like 5 months ago, and ever since then I have not really cleaned. The only thing I did is just sweep and mop. So today I removed the curtains and washed them, and I want to change some things, the position of some things in my room, like my bed, my wardrobe, my shoe rack, like even my table and chair. I'm going to be changing the position, and then my wardrobe, which is covering the second window, I'm going to be like adjusting it towards the bedroom door. My plan is to do everything I have to do within 3 hours because I have to be today. I'm hungry, I need to eat as well. So guys, I have taken my wardrobe from this place. This is where the wardrobe was staying before. So I've taken it from this place to this part of the room. So I'm just going to quickly arrange the wardrobe now and then go to the next thing, guys. Right now I'm asking myself who gave me this work. So let's see how it's going to look like. So guys, I'm going to arrange the clothes because for me to be able to adjust this wardrobe, I had to like empty everything inside the wardrobe. I'm just going to arrange the clothes back inside so I can sweep the other part of the room and shift my bed. For the shoe rack, guys, I brought it to the door side. So just go and let me arrange it. It's time to shift the bed. So let's see. So guys, I'm done like shifting the bed. I'll be fixing my curtain back. I thought I would be able to wash the curtains, but right now I'm very tired and I don't see myself doing that. So I'm going to hang my mirror and then sweep. So guys, I'm done with the mini room makeover, and from here, this is the window part. And if you've been watching my vlog for a very long time now, you know my bed was at this side while this chair table was here. So this is my bed. Let me shift back so you can see the full view of it. This is where my bed is. My wardrobe is at the side. The clothes inside the wardrobe before was very much, so I had to look for an alternative. So I have some clothes there, I have my books there. This is what inside the wardrobe is looking like now. I have this other part as well. My shoe rack was where this wardrobe is now, but I've changed it. And lastly, my most favorite part, which is the mirror. The mirror is here. So the mirror is here, and sincerely speaking, guys, I love the way this thing came out. Like, I really love the way it came out, and as time goes on, we'll keep like changing the arrangement. But one thing I really want to do now is change the color of my wall. I want to paint my wall to white. Once I'm ready to do that, I will also be vlogging. So guys, I'm just going to take my bait now and get something to eat.